On the morning of Monday, March 12, 1888, the east coast of the United States, from Virginia to Maine, awoke to the most severe blizzard in American history. 4 feet of snow fell from the skies, and fierce winds created snowdrifts up to 50 feet high.
The blizzard of 1888 crippled the entire Northeast and shut down all of the streets and all the transportation in the cities. It forced a lot of soul-searching and thinking about how cities moved and lived and breathed and operated.
With over 400 dead and citizens left scared and angry, the blizzard underlined a transportation crisis that had been escalating for decades. In a booming economy, cities were flooded with thousands of immigrants and rural Americans seeking opportunity in a newly mechanized world.
The problem is that everybody is crowded into a fairly small area. The available modes of transportation are slow and cumbersome. The city is growing, but the transit system isn't growing with it.
America was in danger of choking on its own progress. In no place was the problem more overwhelming than the nation's most congested city, Boston, where nearly 400,000 people packed into a downtown of less than a square mile.
There are almost 8,000 horses in Boston pulling the trolley railways around the city. It is a cacophony of noise, dust, horse manure, smells in the downtown area, extremely congested.
As America struggled to address its transportation crisis, leaders in Boston pursued a radical solution.
The idea of a subway in Boston was an enormous risk. It was a breathtaking jump into the unknown, and that can't be underestimated. This was a jump into the unknown.